Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video it's going to be a fairly nice and quick and simple set. I've recently been pulling out about 15 minutes videos. This one is a 10-minute video, so one of the more shorter videos. And the set itself is very nice and simple, not a lot going on, and it's super recreatable. You can definitely do a lot of twists and tricks on here if you'd like to. If you end up recreating any of these sets, please don't forget to tag me because I'd love to see them. Instagram or YouTube's or anywhere you end up posting it, I'd love to see it. Love. So as you can see quickly, I was showing you guys what I'll be using or what I will be needing. We've got some transfer foil gel, we've got some matte top coat, we've got a nude gel polish. This is a gorgeous nude, gorgeous, and also we've got some blue gel polish from Glam. So starting off, we're going to apply our base color, of course. So for this set in particular, we'll be having 3 nude nails and 2 blue. We will have 2 glittery nails. One, of course, will be a sugar nail, but the other, I decided to apply some more of like a bigger, chunkier glitter on there. And I think it looks alright, but when I start applying it, you're going to see the big fail I did. So stay tuned if you want to see a big fail of applying some glitter. I completely failed. I don't know what I was thinking. So stay tuned for that. So like I said, 3 nails of nude. We're going to do 2 nails of blue. Off camera, I will go ahead and do the second layer, and then I'll come back to you guys with the second layer being applied. Or well, already applied, but not yet cured, because of course we're going to sugar one nail. For the video, I always like to sugar just with the wet layer of gel polish, but ideally if you are doing it on a client, make sure you're sugaring on a top coat basis, please, because that just ends up looking so much better. And if at any point anything comes off, it's just, you know, you're gonna still have that glossy, nice little feeling to it, rather than just a sticky, not nice feeling to it. So here are the nails with 2 layers. I'm just gonna sugar this one, and for a change I picked up a different glitter. So I've got this beautiful blue glitter. I've had it for quite some time. I've just been picking my white glitter just because it fits with absolutely any color. When you apply it, it kind of like soaks into the gel polish and then becomes the color of the gel polish. Majority of the time, depending on the color, but majority of the time that is the case. But since I had a glitter that's very similar to the blue that we're using today's video, I thought, why not I actually use a glitter that is different to my usual. So that's what's happening. The whole set has now been cured, and now I'm going in with some transfer foil gel on 2 of the nude nails. And I am going to pop it into the lamp for 60 seconds. When it comes out, I will start working on a different nail because I like my transfer foil gel nails to kind of sit for about 1 minute to 3 just to let it cool down before I start applying my foil. I find that it's just so much better that way. It transfers so much easier. It's so much, I don't know, hassle-free. It's just so stress-free as well, for sure. So I was working on this nail. I decided to apply some base coat, and then I had this chunky blue glitter, and I don't know what was going through my head. This is the big fail. It's about to happen. I don't know. It just all just fell right onto the nail, and it was just a mess. Just a big mess. Look at that. That's just a big mess. I don't know. I was trying to fix it up. I think I did the best I could when it comes to fixing it up, but it was just way too much glitter. I wanted a fairly enough glitter to kind of cover the nail up somewhat, but not enough to kind of cover it completely. Like I wanted some of that blue to peep through. And yeah, it's just not happening. I don't know what I was thinking. Initially, when I did this nail set, I did individually put the glitter on the nail with a nail up brush. But I thought, I don't know, I must have been thinking that I might just skip that step and see if I can just do it this way, and it was a fail. Luckily, if you do end up doing it this way, if it does just go completely wrong, you can use a nail brush and just kind of move it about and place it where you want it, take off any glitters you don't want. You can do all that, so it's not a complete fail. You can fix the fail, just like I did. But yeah, I would completely avoid this bit, unless you're not going to be too heavy-handed like I was, and just very gently sprinkle the glitter on top and then kind of position it where you want it, because that's kind of what I was going for. But now I decided to just tip the whole thing. Why not? So this is what it's looking like. I'm going to cure it, And once it's cured, it's now time to work on our foil nails. So this is the foil I decided to use. It's just this nice floral foil that I found in my drawer, and it has this really nice little hint of green, which I thought was really nice for this set today. And the video itself is actually not fast forwarded too much, I think by slightly, but it's literally seconds. It just felt probably a minute, but even with a few presses I could already see the foil transferring. It's literally amazing. Highly recommend. My all-time favorite is the Makartt transfer foil gel. I've always had such ease working with it. I've never had any issues, and especially now with kind of figuring out that leaving it for a little while before actually applying the foil after curing the foil gel, it transfers so much better that it's just been even more of a drink to work with. It's actually kind of a coincidence that I've noticed that, because I was doing a transfer foil set and I completely forgot it was in the lamp. So I took it out eventually, and then I went in straight with the foil, and it transferred like a dream. It was literally seconds, and I was so confused how that happened. And then I figured it out, I guess, that it's probably because I did leave it for a second. So next time I was doing a foil set, I tried it again, and it happened again. It was so easy to transfer the foils. So I highly recommend trying it. Maybe even if you have like a different transfer foil gel than I am using, and you are having issues, or just want to see if it helps you guys, if it helps you at any point with the foil, even though you might have a nice transfer experience already, maybe this will make it even easier, even quicker. Who knows? Give it a go. You never know. Just like I guess I did by accident. So now that it's transferred, it's time to do our top coat situation. So I decided to matte top coat the nails. So all 4 of those nails that we've got left will be matte top coated. Of course, the sugared nail will not have any matte top coat or any top coat. That one is fully done. So once we matte top coat these, all we will have left to do is some bling. And like I said in the beginning of the video, this design is very simple. I think I was actually recreating a set of my own. Oh my goodness, I filmed this a little while ago, so I'm so sorry, but I think I was recreating a set I've already done, but the set already done was in a different colour, different foil, so I was kind of recreating it because I really liked how it looked. Sometimes simple sets are the way. In my brain, it's not the way. I absolutely love when there's just so much going on, like loads going on, but sometimes I do have to remember that it's not everyone's cup of tea, so I should probably slow it down sometimes, just a little bit. So you could say this is one of those sets where it's a bit more simple, a bit more easier to recreate if you're going for exactly the nail design I've just created. And yeah, so with the nail art design, we're going to do a little S-shaped kind of crystal placement, like a swoosh, like a wiggly line across the nail. So I'm going to place the crystals right there where I put the rhinestone glue gel. So the rhinestone glue gel I use is from Makartt, and here I have this beautiful bow. I felt like it fitted in so nicely because it's so similar to the blue we used and the glitter. And here we have some dark blue and some light blue crystals. So I decided to pick a very similar size of each crystal. I decided to be messy and just tip it all over my little workstation. And what I'm doing is essentially just going to place one dark blue, one light blue, one dark blue, one dark blue pattern, following where we just placed that Makartt rhinestone glue gel. And that's essentially going to be the final step for this rhinestone placement, I guess. It's very simple, very easy. I feel like it's still very cute, especially for people who want to bling out, but at the same time they don't like that full-on too much going on bling. This is probably very nice for those kind of people. So I'm gonna let you guys continue watching me apply crystals, and I will be back with you guys when I'm done with that nail. Alrighty, and I'm back. So since the set was already matte top coated, we don't need to apply any more top coats. Applying the crystals was the very last step. So here is the final result. I hope you guys liked it. If you did end up recreating any of my sets, please don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see it. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!